Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am showing you how I created this St. Patrick's Day look and telling you about the products I used and how I used them. So yeah, and I also wanted to tell you this was my first time using this, I believe how you pronounce it is Virginic face powder, and I won this and also a big bottle of peppermint essential oil from Angela's giveaway. Here is her YouTube channel banner and her channel basically, and I will have the channel listed in my description box below. And also when I'm trying out this powder for the first time, and I will actually probably put a video clip of her using it and talking more about the product. I will say my personal opinion that first impressions of it, I did like it a lot because it was really smooth and the color seemed maybe a tad too dark, but it does smell really good. It smells like cocoa powder. It does say that it is a translucent face powder, but it does give like a dark cast kind of, and you'll be able to see it in the little clips. But it does say that it is cocoa powder, rose powder, and some kind of clay, and arrowroot powder is the ingredients. So it's all natural ingredients. You can't really tell too much on my camera, but there it is, and it's 30 milliliters that's in it. I did enjoy it, but I will say it looks a little patchy. Not as bad right now after setting mist. I used my Morphe setting mist, and after I used that, it didn't look as patchy. It kind of melted it into the skin a little bit better. But on its own, and I did apply a little bit more than I probably should have. At first, it applied really well, and like under the eyes, it's perfect. Like nothing went wrong under the eyes. It was just this area I think was a tad bit tacky, so it just went on a little bit patchy, but it looks alright now. I don't know if you can tell, and it does show the pores a little bit right through here. If you can tell, I don't know. But I do like this powder, and I am going to continue using it. I love the fact that it's all organic and it smells like cocoa powder. So I do love this. I just don't think it's that translucent, and I believe you can get a little patchy doing so if you don't plan on using setting mist, which the setting mist pretty much perfected it afterwards. So those are my first impressions of this, and you'll see little clips of her talking about it and me using the product. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this eyeshadow look, this St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow look. Don't forget, I do have a Valentine's giveaway going on right now, and it will be up until February 25th. Or you might as well say it will be open until the 24th, because on the 25th, I will already have my winner picked, and I'll be actually announcing the giveaway winner the 25th. I will also have that linked in my description box along with Angela's YouTube channel. But yeah, thank you so much, Angela. I have already used the peppermint oil, and I put, I already have some shea butter. So I wanted to make my own like lotion. So I melted it in the microwave, the shea butter, and then I put a big thing, or a squeeze of the essential oil, the peppermint essential oil, since I have been sick with the flu for like a week. Today is my last day on my medicine, so I think I'm pretty much over it. I am still coughing a lot, but I was good enough to finally make a video after not recording in a week. So yeah, thank you so much for letting me have the chance of winning the giveaway and actually winning it. I do really loved trying this powder for the first time, and I do plan on using the crap out of this for the next month or maybe even more. So thank you so much. I'm already using both of the products and I love them. But yeah, back to the video of this look. First thing I'm going to start off with is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. And I'm going to prime my eyelids with that. Then I'm going to go in with the Sephora Colorful Shimmer Eyeshadow Picnic in the Park. This product has been discontinued, so sorry about that, but that was the only green I had at the time. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop Zodiac palette, and I'm going to use that Taurus color for a transition color. And then after that, I'm going to set the brow bone area with the Virginic face powder, just to set the brow bone area. And then I'm going in with my E.L.F blur stick, and I'm going to prime the face with that. And then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild foundation and also mixing it with the Autograph color mixer. And I'm going to use that as my foundation. After that, I'm going back in with the Virginic face powder, and then I'm going to show you a little clip of Angela talking more about this product. She's the one I won the giveaway from.
So the company that I'm collaborating with for this giveaway is a company called Virginic. These products are affordable, guys. They're not gonna break your bank, and they actually work. And they're also cruelty-free. They have vegan products. They're all natural products. They don't put a bunch of toxic crap in there like a lot of companies unfortunately do. And it's just been a really, really great experience for me so far, and I wanna share that with you guys. And so the first product that we're going to be reviewing today is going to be the Translucent Botanical Face Powder. And on the website, it goes for $19.90, but it says on the website that this face powder is pure, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. And then, like I said, if you go down, it lists all the ingredients, how to apply. And also too, what I really like about their website is that it lists what the benefits of each ingredient is that is in each product. So that's really, really cool. So let's go ahead and try this on. So this is what the packaging looks like. So this is the container that the powder comes in, and I really, really like the packaging of this company. It just looks like so clean and healthy, and I don't know, there's just something I really, really like about it. It looks really good quality, and it's just very inviting. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and we're gonna see how we like it. It is a translucent powder. It does come with a little like sponge you can apply it with, but I apply all my powder with my normal brush. And I did already go ahead and apply my foundation for the purpose of this video. So in using this powder, you're gonna go ahead and apply your foundation and your concealer as evenly as possible before you apply the powder, just like you would any other face powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of powder in here, like I would any other face powder. And then the way I apply my powder is I kind of just, I start like this. And then just kind of evenly go around my entire face. So I do have really dry skin, so I like that this feels really soft and silky, and like it's not going to dry out my skin, because even some of my favorite powders that I do like by other brands, they work really well, really good coverage and stay on all day, but they can sometimes dry out my skin. And this one just doesn't feel like it's going to do that. So far I know that this is my first time using the product, so I'll have to see how it wears over time. But on first impressions, I really, really do like it. Like I said, it feels really silky smooth on my face. I feel like it looks really, really nice. And I feel like you could probably even use this for full coverage makeup too. I did a very light amount of foundation for this video because I wanted to just do a natural look and see how I liked it. So I do really like this product so far.
Then I'm going in with the Revolution Strobe Luxe palette, and I'm going to highlight with that color you see right here. And then I'm going to use my Kat Von D blush. I think it's called Mickey and Mallory. And then after that, I will be setting my face with my Morphe setting spray. After that, I'm going to be using going in with the ColourPop Zodiac palette again, using the Virgo color to set my brows. Then I'm using a combination of the Ardell lash glue with the Wish lashes. And then I'm going in with my favorite Bare Minerals lip gloss in Groovy to do my lips. After that, I will coat my lashes to my falsies with the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. After that, I'm going back into the Zodiac palette, and I'm going to go under my lower lash line with this Virgo color from the ColourPop Zodiac palette. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my St. Patrick's Day look that I created in this video. And don't forget to check out Angela's channel. After you finish this video, it will be linked. Her channel will be linked in my description box below. And also don't forget about that giveaway that I do have going on until basically the 24th, and I will announce the winner the 25th. That giveaway is also in my description box, along with all the other products that I used in this video. I didn't really get an inspiring photo sent from any of y'all on this look, and I do want to do a video that some people have requested in past videos. I just need to buy a few products to make it happen. I did get inspired by your photos that you sent. I just need to get like a little stencil sticker here and a little glitter liner here, so I can recreate what I want to recreate by getting inspired by the photos that you sent to me, if that makes any sense. So yeah, if you have any looks that could inspire me, please DM me on my Instagram, and I would be glad to try to make that happen. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!